Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajela ubak Preston Tensong. Hakasni palejong katayo, ula pentip bagayang syari Meghalaya High Court kalapan mi aku hukum bagala sya ikipat ba bansalan biang yaw motion syabar keri India. Bat ula pensyairu baka Trinamool Congress kala kena klem nong rem ke sorkar jela. Bagala dep ban pelat ke song pisa ba Syihajar San Kelur Tengka naga benta ka Smart City Project. Hendrai ke jing shisha kalong baka sorkar kalayo pediang tang ars pak San Puwei Kelur Tengka. Habay keren beginong patay kubor ba Preston Tensong uleto baka High Court kalapan mi ko hukum ha kabalasya ban kayi yo motion ladaya tika kerteng jong major. Hendrai ladaya tika kerteng jong minor on omla ban kayi. Ulong halor kini kebentak sorkar jela klasim kiai kini kemat bat ketenat mines bat kumjo bat ketenat coal. Bat kumjuru bat ketenat commerce and industries bat nakaliang jong ketenat coal bat ketenat commerce kala ay kejing pensyai lengba kejing penmenapat ba lengba director general jong ke foreign trade kabala kedau bayau motion la udai umaina ne umeja la bancalan sya kenu gari. Uba Preston Tensong ulong haba kayeng syari kala syong tian bisyara kesni palai kala kemi benia ek affidavit jong ke sorkar jela. Bagi yang syari kala ay ke oral observation bahkan kang menta bancalan ni motion la udai umaina ne umeja. Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajela ulong banadu ubnai jeliu arhajar arpuar ke sorkar jela kam syamla ay calan man kayi yo motion haka kerteng maina hendrai nang ne syakamat ke sorkar jela kan ay calan biang ban sedang ya ke jing kayi yo motion syabari
ka la ay ya ka we ko order ka bedai bat ka export ya motion lane ulaim stone kabadai haka arpulai terik ubnai Jun arhajar arpuar ka High Court badon burom jong jela Meghalaya jong ikla ai ko darba haba pi export ya umausun udon arjai uwei ngi ong major but uwei ngi ong minor tena kata kadau ladayat haka kerteng jong ke major katkum ko order na ka honorable High Court kong ba pila ban export tinrei ladadai haka kerteng jong ke minor ka bamot pinum la ban export to tena kaliang jong ke sorkar ngilale kumnu naman ngiskutu kandon ke isu kebikren sepang ke minor and major tinggal take up bat ke Ministry of Mines and Coal Ministry nang ta cucu la take up bat ke Commerce Ministry teka bangas ngobah ban pentip yapi ban nakaliang jong ke Coal Ministry bat ke Commerce Ministry naka Commerce Ministry kadai ke bengiyo ya kani ka clarification ke notification ke pasai kedan Director General jong ke Foreign Trade Ministry of Commerce and Industry Ministry bat kata ke clarification baki ai ke longba ya umausun be it minor be it major la ban export sya Bangladesh lani sya kanukari hapok ke perthai barokoi te menne ka don ga hearing hakaba ka honorable High Court hadin bakalayo ia kan ka affidavit ka ban nakaliang jong sorkar klapha lengba jong u advocate general jongi u Amit Kumar ka bang sngo bahaban pentip akan ka por baka court ka honorable High Court menne kala ai ya ka oral observation bat kata ka oral observation kolong ba kanum khang menta ban export ya u limestone la kadai u minor leni la kadai u major te namar nadu utu benajun ko mga ong yapi ya kasalan ban export sa Bangladesh ubaya ka keteng minor ngi klaim isu salan su like no tangi u major tenrei ngasngo bahaban pentip sapi ba menne kasni haka hearing kabana kaliang jong ka honorable High Court kala ai kalong ka oral observation ka ai kalong ba kinnem khang ya ka export katkum ka to ka affidavit kabana kaliang ka Coal and Mine Ministries kala ai batru ya ka order ka ba ngiyo na ka Ministry of Commerce ka ba hap apo u Director General jong ka foreign trade.
Ha kawai pat kaliang uba Preston Tunsong uloong baga jing keno jong ka All India Trinamool Congress halor ka jing pelat kapisa jong ka Smart City Project kadai ka ba klam nong rem ba kadai tang ka buit le san perthai uloong ba ka All India Trinamool Congress kala keno ba ka Shillong Smart City Limited kaliyo ya palat Shihajar san klor tengka bat kani ka jing keno kalong ka babakla Shibun namar hadu menta ka Shillong Smart City Limited kaliyo pediang arspa san phuai klor tengka kata shispa kandai pun riau na ka sarkar pedeng bat san pusan keluar tengka nagabha jong sarkar jela uba Preston Tunsong uloong bak auditor mata kadang le ek audit ya ke jinghen jing dia jong ka snem mang tengka hajar arpo bat hajar arpuwei bala menjuru de ka CAG kumta ka jing keno ka All India Trinamool Congress kadai tang ka buit le san perthai bat kadon ai halenda.
My advice, my suggestion to our friends MLA from TMC, for your survival, why don't you join BJP? Otherwise, ultimately, it is up to them. It is their wisdom to take a decision. So again, I still advise them, for their survival, it would be better. Maybe if they not necessarily join directly, maybe, I don't know, they may be having some sort of tie-up undercover that we don't know. Then the allegation made by them by saying that Preston looks like the appointed spokesperson of BJP, I think that is totally unjustified. That is totally rubbish. I don't have to say anything on that. It is their allegation. So it is up to them and let people judge. Who am I?
Uba Preston Tunsong uba kemiru ya ketenat PWD Roads uloong basyan an Scott tender biang nagbenta mencenai kesurok na Shillong Shadauki. Ulitho bahaga jinglet Delhi ulit ya kendo ya Managing Director ka NHIDCL benekran halor kene kamat. Bat syan an Scott tender no nagbenta ban pentre ya kene project. Ha kabaidai baga jing snew shabapalat pot jong kesurok na yam Shillong. Uba Preston Tunsong ulitho ba uladat betha ya ke NHIDCL ban khot tender no mardor ban snai kene kesurok. Bat menta ke jing pen kre ya ke detailed project report bat ke jing lut jing sep kadang ya cekmat. Uloong basyan an Scott tender no na kebentaban penwandur ban siang rong thamai.
The tendering process is almost completed. So there are 2 packages where they need to go for retendering. So retendering, I think, will take place very soon. Last time I went to Delhi, I met even the Managing Director of NHIDCL. I've discussed with him about this issue. Very soon the retendering process will be in place. From Umyam up to Shillong, it is bad, but not that bad. It is bad, okay, in some portion. So again, I've instructed NHIDCL to immediately call a tender for this, this stretch, wherever, especially the road which is approaching Shillong from Umyam. And the DPR, the estimate is being worked out right now by NHIDCL. I think very soon they will again invite a tender for blacktopping and for modification and for beautification of this road.
How soon can we expect this?
Because last meeting we had, in fact, the executive director who's stationed here, he saw the job preparing the DPR. So I told him you have to do it as early as possible, because this is the only approach road to Shillong where we need to make sure that we get all weather and then good road 24/7.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.